Guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be a very short quick video on my brow routine. I said brows. It's all about the brows. So if you don't have time to do anything else before you get out of the house in the morning, I want you to learn how to master your brows. This is a brow tutorial that will take you from A to Z. So stick around if you want to see how I do my brow routine. If you're new to my channel, thanks for coming on. If you are returning, thanks for coming back. I appreciate you. So the first step I like to do is fill the brows in. I'm using a Ruby Kiss pencil. And you're just going to lightly go under the hairline, and you're going to repeat the same on the top. And then you're going to make gentle strokes. You're mimicking the hair. Fill it in. Don't worry about if you make a few little mistakes. We'll clean it up later with the concealer. Same for this side. This is a nice, quick, easy way to fill in your brows to get you out the door for work. Fill it in. Take a look at it. Then you're going to make sure you comb through your hairs. And we're going to simply clean this up with some concealer. I'm going to take my MAC 195 flat brush, and I'm going to actually use a little foundation. Now, normally you could use concealer, but this is just like my everyday brow, so we're just going to clean this up with some foundation. And I'm just using some Loreal True Match. This is a simple everyday brow routine. And I'm just going to blend that foundation down. Just put it on down. Still have some glue from some lashes that I had on. Alright, and you see, then I'm just going to take the tip of that and just run through the hairs a little bit. There you have it. Alright. Take a little, this is the L'Oreal. I'm just taking a little of that foundation, and I'm just cleaning it up with the foundation. Everyday brow routine to get you ladies out of the house to get to work. Don't have to spend hours Make sure you get under there really nice, real tight. And you just blend down. You do the same at the beginning of the brow. I don't want it to be square and hard, so I just put a little product in the middle. And if you want, you can go back in and fill a little in a little bit. Just to make sure you have it nice and clean. And there you have it. Just take a little bit off the bottom here, because I want to make sure they are even as possible. I'm just going to take a little bit from here. Yep, there we go. I'm just going to pull the extra foundation down over the eyes. Okay. This one looks a little bigger. I'm going to make this one a little smaller on top, just to make sure they are even. Okay, there it is. And you can use whatever your favorite pencil is. To do this same technique. All right. So there you have it. Easy, quick, simple brow tutorial that you can do in the mornings to get you out of the house. Simple, easy, quick brow tutorial for the ladies on the go who have to get out of the house really early, quick and fast. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Quick and easy brow tutorial.